So this is my very first YouTube video and I decided to do a DIY. So stay tuned and keep on watching so you can see how I did these unicorn centerpieces. So anytime I'm dealing with glitter, I always mix it with the Mod Podge. It just makes it so much easier and you don't end up with a big mess and glitter everywhere. So here I'm just showing the end result after applying the glitter. I am most definitely going to have to add a layer of white paint or maybe silver glitter. I don't want the vases to be see-through, so we'll see how that turns out. Okay, so here I'm just cutting out the actual horn for the decoration, and I just pulled up a template off of Google and traced it onto a regular piece of notebook paper. And then from there I traced it onto this cardstock. You will see how I flip it over and I outline it with the Sharpie, and it actually came out better than what I expected. I really love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. So after I figured out the placement of the flowers, I went ahead and started gluing those on first. That way they could create a base for the horns and the ears to stay on. That way they wouldn't just slide off. And I think they came out pretty well. So here's the finished centerpiece. I made 10 of these and I absolutely love how they turned out. I think they look very, very cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks for watching.